So here we're going to take a look at Hanchurch traffic lights, and this is what we did with the pupil the other day, just basically going round making sure they completely understand it. So on these Hanchurch lights, the actual junction is not straight, it slightly bears, I would say probably to the left slightly. So one of the issues people have here is that they go straight ahead and basically they're blocking the lane for oncoming vehicles. It's very common on this one. This junction can also be really busy. So on this one we pull forward. The pupil probably did have room to go, but then they spotted this car, vehicle behind us went left, and that was fine. Looking into the junction and turn. Remember, once you've crossed the stop line, even though you see red in front of you, that's not for us. Ours is clear. So this was the first one on this very horrible day. Here, we're going to go right again. So on this one, we've kept our position. No one coming, so you can literally go straight around, which is good. And then on this one we had a chat and we went round again. Just to see how it changed. On this one now you've got some vehicles, some oncoming vehicles, so remember here, position, don't drive into their lane. Now these people got a little bit confused, this white car, which confused the pupil, and then I had to come in a little bit and say, no, you can go, yeah, because really that vehicle, he had the priority, he should have gone round. So stuff like that can happen, but you've got to keep your head, keep calm. And then here we go again, final time on this one. That's some of the lorries that do come out of the Eddie Stobarts, and like I was saying, this can get extremely busy. So if you are practicing local junctions, it is worth going round a few times just to make sure you totally understand and that you're getting consistency in the understanding of these junctions. So use this video, flick through, take a look at it, see if you've had any issues at this particular junction, and if you haven't been there, I've put the Google map link in the comments